So today I'm going to be talking about some tornado types. So first we have the funnel cloud. This is a tornado type that isn't a tornado. When it reaches the ground it becomes a tornado, but in the sky it does something called a funnel cloud. Next we have the satellite tornado. Now the satellite tornado is a tornado that orbits another tornado, like you can see in this picture. It's one from the same mesocyclone. Next we have the triple tornado. Now from what I know, this has only happened once. Next we have landspout. Now the landspout tornado isn't really a tornado, because it spawns from the ground and then it goes up. Next we have the rope tornado. Now the rope tornado is the beginning or ending stage of a tornado, and they're usually very weak. Next we have the elephant trunk. Now the elephant trunk looks like this, and it's normally powerful. Next we have the cone tornado. Now the cone tornado looks like this. It's classic tornado. Next we have the stovepipe. Now the stovepipe is the same with the whole way up from the bottom to the top, or roughly the same. Next we have the wedge tornado. Now the wedge tornado is wider than it is tall. There's a few examples. Next we have the multi-vortex tornado. Now the multi-vortex tornado is, well, it has multiple vortexes, and it can be very dangerous. Now we have the twin tornado. The twin tornado is the rarest type, because two tornadoes spawn from different mesocyclones. Happy New Year.